Hello guys, I want us to see how you can create a login screen in Microsoft Access without coding. Therefore, if you can look at a demonstration here, if you click on this one, when this one is blank, you get that the login is unsuccessful, failed, and you're not allowed to log in. But if you give correct credentials here, that way, and click on OK, therefore login is successful, and then the dashboard is opened for you. Therefore, basically, what you need to do is first of all to make sure you have your dashboard created. Then you go to a table, you create a table with the following fields. Therefore, you can just have this one as password. Therefore, you shall have the username, password, level, and description. And therefore, that is the table you need to have. That is the login table. Then you need to create this login screen. Therefore, sorry, you can just close this. You need to create this login screen. Therefore, the login screen you'll create, these are text boxes. You create two text boxes, that is for the username and for the password. You can also include a toggle button, just like I have done. Therefore, if you go to property sheet here for this one here, if I click on the first button, you will see it is called text 1. If I click the second button, it is called text 3. Then we have our login button, that is our toggle 7. So to do the macro, you click on this button, then go to on click event here, that is event on click of the button. Then you hit the 3 dots and choose, that is embedded macro. Therefore, you'll be taken to this part here where you choose if, then this one, we have changed this one to password. So this is password. This is password. So what you need to do here, ladies and gentlemen, is to choose if, then type the following: dcount username from a table called login, where the username is equals to text box 1 and password equals to text box 3. And then the action to choose down there is a message box, and then the message box will allow you to type a title, that is the message. Then you only type the title here and the message. Then from there you go to else section. You also do a text box, login and successful, then failed, the title will be failed. Then outside the end if of that macro, the first macro, you now use if, but you use d lookup instead of dcount. Therefore, remember we have changed our field here to password, that way. Then now the action is open form. You see now when you choose action, like here, you can choose open form. You see, you can just choose open form action. If our action is open form, then you choose the form name. You see now from the drop down list, you will have number of forms, and therefore I want to choose form main. The rest remains the same. Then from there, the message box, that is in case this one is not successful, it will give a message that you are not allowed to log in, and also you have not met the requirements. Therefore, basically, this is the, if I just click outside here, you'll be in a position to see the macro that works there. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you can download a copy of this for free from my website, just to have these ones, since you can just copy them. You see now you can just copy them as you wish and then edit them as you wish. Therefore, just have a copy of this database from my website. The URL of my website is just below this video. Also, ladies and gentlemen, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed for me, so that you can get more and more materials as I upload them. Therefore, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next session.